Alright, gonna walk through doing the back end of this. So assuming this is right, we're gonna finish this sketch here and extrude this out real quick. So I'm just gonna make this one body, 100 millimeters, just to give it some depth. And I'm gonna spin to the back side here. So we've got this back side here. Gonna create a sketch on that back side. I'm going to zoom in. So I want to do the ridges above and below it, kind of like a sine wave. So first I'm going to do project, which is here in the create menu. This allows me to use lines and parts of previous sketches in a new sketch without actually necessarily making it part of the new sketch, without having to like trace over it. So we've got that. So now I've got this reference purple line. I can hide everything else at this point. And then if I just want to create the simple ones I did before, those were just 3-point arcs. So I did an arc, 3-point arc, started in the corner, came over a little ways. Before I clicked again, since I knew how wide it was, I could just do 20 millimeters. And then at that point, you can see there's a little lock, so it won't get any bigger. I just click it onto the line again, and then I give it the depth I want. So if I want to make it really big, I can go way up here. In this case, just kind of giving it an even looking ridge. Then to get the under one, basically the same thing, 20, go down, click here on the line again, go down. Once I get it going to the same height, it kind of almost locks in place. It kind of just snaps. Pop, there you go. Now at this point, I could finish this, or I'm sorry, not finish it, but get out of my arc tool, and then I could do a rectangular pattern and repeat those two across this line. It's a little choppy. But that's the rectangular pattern, which in this case just is a linear pattern since we're doing 2D. If I went and did it as 3, I can move it over as 3. And you can see it's kind of all going together. And then click OK. Then if I don't need this one, it's on the outside, I can just modify and delete. So then at this point, to make sure that they all go together, we've got the tangent. So if I can tangent that one to that one, this one to that one, that one to that one. And at that point, they're all the exact same, and they all kind of flow together. So from here, it's just finish sketch. The extrude on the bottom, if I change this operation to cut, make the body visible again. I'll even spin it sideways to make this visible. The extent type, instead of distance, go to object, click on the back here. Okay, why aren't we doing this for me today? Let's do the tops first. Extrude, top, 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 distance, to object. There we go. There's the top ones. You'll see the sketch disappears, but you can just bring it back, hit the sketch number 2, extrude, cut. There we go. Sometimes it's just order of operations, and there you go. Now you've got the same ridges. They're the exact same ones every time. So it's a little bit more uniform. So again, a couple ways to do it. As you're going through, you can just dimension it, and as you're bringing them up and down, they will snap in place. once you do a couple, you can do a linear pattern to copy it across, or you can draw each one, and as long as you dimension it, doing the 20 for, or whatever your dimension you want is, it'll lock that in, and then as you get the first couple down, it'll start locking them into place because it's realizing that you want to make them all the same size. So hopefully this helps.